Your water heater usually lasts between 8 and 12 years, and the clearest signs it needs replacing are rusty water, strange banging noises, leaks around the base, or a unit that struggles to keep water hot. Think of your water heater like a big metal thermos that heats water and holds it until you need it. Over time, sediment and minerals from your water settle at the bottom of the tank and build up like sand at the bottom of a fish tank. This buildup makes the heater work much harder, which raises your energy bill and slowly wears out the metal from the inside. Something a lot of people do not know is that most tanks have a little rod inside called an anode rod, and its whole job is to corrode instead of the tank itself. Once that rod is completely eaten away, the tank starts rusting from the inside, and that is usually when leaks begin. If you flush your tank once or twice a year and check that rod every couple of years, you can add several extra years of life to your water heater. Catching these small issues early is much cheaper than dealing with a flooded closet or basement later. One common mistake is ignoring small pools of water near the base, thinking it is just condensation, when it is often the first sign of a real leak, so check it regularly and act fast. Another misconception is believing that a bigger tank always means better performance, when really the correct size depends on your household needs, so getting the right size saves you money instead of wasting it. A lot of homeowners also forget to test the pressure relief valve, which can quietly fail over time, so testing it once a year keeps your whole system safer. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.